everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we are going to be making a biscuits and gravy casserole that is a twist on a classic breakfast recipe. This dish is made even easier by using refrigerated biscuits and country gravy mix that can be found at most grocery stores, but feel free to make your own from scratch if you want. Please hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. For this recipe, you will need 1 package with 8 refrigerated biscuits, 1 pound of breakfast sausage, 1 packet of country gravy mix, 5 eggs, and 1/2 cup of milk. Cook the sausage in a large skillet over medium heat until it is cooked through and no longer pink. Whisk the eggs and the milk together in a medium bowl. Prepare the gravy according to the package directions. For this brand, boil water, then mix the gravy with cold water. Add the gravy mix to the boiling water and whisk together until it begins to thicken. I added a little more black pepper to my gravy. Open the package of biscuits and cut each into fourths. Spray the bottom and sides of a 9x13 baking dish with non-stick cooking spray, then place the biscuits on the bottom of the pan. Sprinkle the cooked sausage over the layer of biscuits. Pour the egg mixture over the ground sausage and biscuits. And finally, pour the gravy over the top of the casserole. Place the casserole dish in the oven and bake at 350 degrees for 40 minutes. When it's done, remove from the oven and let it rest for 10 minutes before cutting and serving. I hope you enjoy this recipe for biscuits and gravy casserole. The full recipe is in the description of this video, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.